Okay, guys, back for the post market here, June 16th, around 3:30 Central Time. Pretty challenging day earlier on. I ended up making my money in the afternoon. So let's just go take a look at this one. Here's our here's our normal key ranges chart. Run this back. We had a likely bearish pre-market call on this our structure study, and we did get a rundown on that. Now ES had a VWAP magnet likely call, and that certainly played out as the day moved forward. Uh, this was tough, kind of some tough price action for me and for us early on. Some people made some money out of this, obviously. How we do business here is it's pretty individual. The workspace is the star of the show, and people build edges around it how they see price. And we have members that make money in the complete opposite directions all the time. So depends on how you see it, how you bid it. This gets pretty early for me. There were some trades in here though. I just don't really trade that early because of the scalping and the way it moves down. I like to see something like this, and really we're kind of looking for that 9 o'clock hour. But got some initial trades when this thing turned around. This big wick, for instance, caused me to put a bid in and start getting some points up to these levels. Same thing when it came down. You start trading it that way, and you make some money. Now it started to get really wicky here. Again, there were some opportunities there with putting some bids above this previous low L1, yesterday's low. This was the pre-market low, uh, and get up to the top here. Now I really got kind of disengaged. Actually, I mean I did not like this price action through here all the way through the rest of that 9 o'clock hour. We had no reason to see this one coming. That returned to its wickiness. And really, uh, it wasn't until we started to get some action that sort of going to get back into it. So we get that pullback, that wick, we put an offer in, we start making some money on some of these things. Rejection, we can make some money on that. And then another period of this. So it's kind of a battle. I started making money at 1 o'clock. But if I look at my reports on Trade8, it was this candle that kind of got me re-engaged. It was a big one up here, pulls back, goes up, and I start getting into it, getting on to price for whatever reason. So the price actually started to fit the way that I personally like to fade price. When we're in these choppy gamma hedging environments like this. And the trade, and I did make good money all the way through. The trade of the day came here at the low of the day, though. We got support closed there. That causes us many times to put a bid in. I put a bid in above this 100, and this turned into a big trade. It's multiple trades for me, but I may have made more points here than this 100 point move was. Looks like if I'd gotten in and stayed in for 100, I made more than 100 points because of the multiple entries and being able to scale up in really good pullback, really good price action. So that's the way that day finished. Rates were accommodating all day of the bear call. They actually moved up towards the end. So I mean everything was fairly supportive and straightforward today, and we'll be back on it again tomorrow. If you like this content, like and subscribe to the channel here. Go to level8trading.com, join our Discord environment. Certainly, if you are a beginner or are curious about futures, we have some videos within Discord that are free to everyone that'll really get you into it really gets you a better understanding about futures and how they're not. There's a lot of misinformation out there about them, and you'll start to see how we trade these levels, and you can develop an edge using our workspace, which is designed to ferret out these levels, extensions, and momentum trades. But I'll see you guys in the morning, and good luck.